Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 11 Ultra, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top right side of your screen like so, and then locate the Do Not Disturb mode, which I believe is on the second page. Yep, there we go. Once you see this toggle, you can either tap on it to turn it on right away with whatever it's set to by default, or you can hold it and this will quickly take you to the settings so you can customize how the mode will function when enabled. Now, I do recommend going over these options and just customizing them. And one of the options that I'm going to touch upon right here, which is very handy, is the duration for quick settings. It allows you to choose what happens when you press on the toggle. By default, when you tap on it, it will run indefinitely till you remember to turn it off. I personally like to set it on a timer, make it something like 4 hours, and then whenever I tap on it, it will then turn itself on for that time that I have specified. But I can also turn it off before the time runs out. So if I remember about it, I can turn it off, great. If I don't, the device will do it for me after 4 hours that I have set. Now, once you have set up everything that you want to change in there, find the toggle once again and simply tap on it. And like I mentioned before, by default you would need to remember to turn it off, so you can do so by tapping on a toggle once again. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.